Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a Zoom account on mobile. So in here, I've already on the Zoom workplace apps on my phone. And if you just install the Zoom app, you'll see this page. So you can get started with your account. If you already have an account, you can click on sign in, but if you only want to join a meeting, you can click on this. So in this, I'm going to show you how to create a Zoom account. So let's just click on sign up. In here, you need to verify your age, so enter your birth year, click on continue, and after that you can just enter your email address in here and then tap on continue. Or you can also just select other sign up method. You can use Google, Apple, Facebook, or SSO. So let's say I'm going to just use my Facebook, so click on continue with Facebook. Now Zoom will take you into this login Facebook option, so you can just enter your Facebook account in here. After you log in, you can just enter the login code. So in here, I'm using two-step verification, so I need to enter the code first, and then after that I can log in into my Facebook. Okay, so after you successfully log in, you can just tap on continue and just wait until this page show up. Agree to the terms of sign up. You can just click on the create account at the bottom and then just wait. Now you've successfully create a Zoom account, and you'll be entering this meeting page on the Zoom app. So you can start a new meeting, you can join a meeting, schedule, or do share screen. So that's how you can get a Zoom account. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.